everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone keep showing the Apple logo and turning off. Have you encountered the problem of iPhone keep showing the Apple logo and turning off that logged you out of your phone? In case of emergency, not being able to get into the iPhone can be frustrating. Since this is a leading issue to many iPhone users, so in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first step is charge your iPhone. Sometimes the iPhone that runs in low battery may cause this iPhone show Apple logo and turns off issue. You can try charge your iPhone for at least 30 minutes and then when your iPhone is in charging screen with the red line, try to turn it on. If your iPhone still shows the Apple logo and turn off automatically, make a force restart. Force restart means force rebooting your iPhone device to clear all background running activities. Performing a force restart can fix your iPhone's keep showing Apple logo by clearing potential glitches. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, a slider shows up. So slide to power off, wait for some time and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone keep showing the Apple logo and turning off. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.